Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save your game on The Sims 4. So, for instance, you made some changes to your house and you just want to save it. Select the three lines on the option menu and just select the save button, and it's going to basically save. Same goes when you exit the game. There's going to be a save and an exit option, and it's going to automatically save your game as well. That's how you can save the Sims game. That's how you can save your game on The Sims 4. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding to this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!